Hey, what's up guys, my name is Vanx and today I'll be showing you how you can use any Adobe product for free in your PC without installing any patch in your PC, and this will save a lot of bucks on your budget. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you see right now, I'm having two Adobe products in my PC, which is Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, and I'm heading right now to unlocking Adobe Illustrator. So when I'm opening it, you'll see that it says my Adobe Illustrator trial has come to an end, and now you see here the days remaining is 0. So I have to license this software in order to use it. So by using this trick, you won't have to buy the software. So I'm quitting it, and the first step is to go to your file manager, opening your local disk. For me it is local disk C, and then go to the folder named program files, and then you'll be going to Adobe, and then now from here you'll see there's two Adobe products, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. These are the list of Adobe products installed in your PC. So I'll be unlocking Adobe Illustrator, so I'm heading to Adobe Illustrator CC, and I'm going to the folder named support files. Opening it, it's right here, and I'm going to the folder named contents. There are two folders in here, contents and then Windows, and then there's a bunch of folders and applications in here, but the folder that I want to unlock, the folder that I want to open, it is AMT. So I'm clicking on AMT, and then I'm going at the bottom of the folder, and I have the XML document named application. There is two applications named things down here. The one is application SIF, and the second one is application. So what I want you to deal with is the one which is named application, and it is an XML document. So I'm going to minimize this window, and then I'll bring it on my desktop, and then I'm opening it, and then there's a bunch of codes written on this XML document. So what I need you to find is the word trial vision, and for me it is it's the trial serial number, and it is right here. Key is equal to trial serial number. So this is a number that you're given for 7 days, and for more than 7 days the number will expire, so you can't use it more. So what I need you to do is to change this number. So I'm deleting this 9 right here, and I'm typing 7, and then I'm coming back up here, and I'm saving my file, and then I'm done. So I'm closing this one, and I'm returning it on its location, AMT, and then it's done. So for now we have the XML document returned to its original position. It's right here at the bottom. So I'm closing this one, and I'm opening Adobe Illustrator now. So now you'll see there's the pop-up that says sign in required. Before, there's a pop-up that says my trial vision has come to an end, and I'm clicking on sign in later, and there's a pop-up that says 7 days remaining. So that's an advantage for us, and that's is what we were trying to do. And for now, I'm clicking start trial, and it should open Adobe Illustrator on your PC, and there I have Adobe Illustrator operating on my PC. Thanks for watching, guys. I think that this could help you 100%, and it's 100% working trick. So thanks for watching, and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Also leave a subscription to the channel, and I appreciate that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next